What's up guys? Welcome back to a craft a day with yours truly, Araceli Chan DIY. So the theme for this week's DIY, grab your tea and let's get crafting. I can't find the single image for this DIY, but I promise you guys are gonna love it. So you're gonna take some dowels, some wooden blocks from Dollar Tree, jumbo craft stick, and some greenery picks, Christmas picks. This one is from Walmart, and 90% of the time I wait for after the season because I can get them super cheap if I don't want to get like the not so full Dollar Tree picks. So I'm gonna take the wooden blocks and I'm gonna glue them together to create a base. And I'm also gonna get that jumbo craft stick and glue 2 of the wooden blocks at the bottom also. And that's just gonna be part of my base to keep this thing upright and it doesn't fall over. Then taking the wooden dowels, you can buy these at Dollar Tree or you can buy them at Walmart. Just, you know, choose your poison. And then I'm gonna glue these into a triangle shape. And after that, I'm gonna take some jute twine and wrap the heck out of this thing. And I'm just gonna cover it all the way around. And I'm also gonna be using that beaded garland from Dollar Tree that I showed in the beginning. I think this tree would look absolutely gorgeous with some string lights, fairy lights, whatever you want to call them. And then you can totally hide the battery pack on the back, but I just went with this the way that I did, but obviously that's another option for you guys if you want to make it look a little bit more festive. I don't know why, last minute thought here, I decided to paint this. You can definitely leave the raw wood as it is because it does look really pretty, but I just added some oops paint on here that was like, I don't know, what is this color? Off-white? No, not off-white, cream, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna take that scarf fabric that I used to create the bow for the tree, and I'm just gonna wrap some more wooden blocks to make little gifts for under the tree. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week for a crafted day. Stay tuned for the next theme, not this coming week, but the next. All right guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.